Yeah, welcome back, guys. Doing another quick episode. Won't be as long as the last one. Doing some more drift prep. Got drifted in less than a week, just over a week, sorry. And I'm about to fit the subframe. So as you can see, I've got one all ready to go on. It's just a matter of removing my old one and looking to weld on some subframe reinforcing plates, because E46s suffer with cracks in the floor. I don't think it's cracked, I think it's just some bushes that are gone on the back. I don't think it'd last another drift day before I pull something out of the floor, so it's best to have a look and get it done now. So I'll film what I'm doing. It's going to be a late one. I probably won't get everything done tonight because I'm hoping just to get the welding done so I can underseal it. I'll leave it overnight then, and I'll come in tomorrow morning and I'll finish it off and I'll just put everything back on. So enjoy and thanks for watching. It's not a fucking great start. So rusty as fucking car is, but to the exhaust are falling off. Oh, rusty. I mean, that's bad up there. Like, you know what I mean?
Ridiculous.
There's my fingers in there. Come on.
Yeah. Did HIV written all over there?
My car doesn't get HIV.
What do you expect though, and like, that's that bad?
Oh, you know what I mean? I'm not sure if I'm flogging a fucking dead horse here or not. But no, I know I'm flogging a fucking dead horse. Okay.
If I be fucking... Your man's got that MOT in it.
No, if it had MOT I wouldn't have took it off the road.
Are you there?
I don't know if I can't resell a car by next week. I haven't got the head for that.
Can.
I haven't got the head for that. I know I can. If somebody was paying me to do it, yeah.
Won't you stay fucking late most nights?
Oh, it's a lot of fucking work.
It's not.
It is a lot of work.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
It is a lot of work. Oh, I would rather pay somebody to do it. I don't even know if I want to put it down, see, because
Problem is that falls apart in the drift day and then
yeah,
the back end will fall out.
yeah, it's only because it's knocking a bit now. Is why I was going to do it.
Can't get up to the end of the drift day, would Drive it slow all the way. Drive it slow all the way.
Going to decide what to do and I'll come back. Right, so I've decided I'm not going to put it off because it's just too much work. I'm not welding this car up. It's not fucking. I'll scrap it in a month's time once the MOT runs out. But I'm going to fix this subframe just for now. I don't know if you can see up there. Right, Jack, see the movement? The bolts are as tight as they can go. It's just the bush is obviously worn, so there's that much play in them. Obviously common on an E46. But I'm going to take off the under brace. Take this under brace off and stick some washers and some plates in between it. Push the subframe up, and it should tighten it to the floor of the car then, and it should hopefully stop me pulling it out when I go to a drift day. It'll save me loads of work, but it's a pain in the arse either way. No, I think James has turned up with our food. Hello, James.
Food delivery.
Oh, from who? He said this is like a sponsorship.
What? From Diarrhea?
Yeah. Thank you. She can be on one of her videos,
Oh,
is it?
we are, James. Give me the food.
No. Don't do dogs on this channel.
I got a 4x4.
I was going to say the ground clearance is pretty good.
Hello. Chilling.
Oh, Ross has some words. Ross has to have some words with you
Why?
about wheels.
Oh, he's left me with bald tyres,
Yeah,
hasn't he?
I don't know what he's left you with.
That's my fault. I got talent to turn up. So you did? Dave's not coming, is he?
Well, I borrowed some and then he borrowed some. Yeah, he's having to clean up and then he's coming down.
Oh.
Food.
There we go. What we got? Well, also a lot posher.
Well, we're just having some food, courtesy of Soldier Chef.
Soldier Chef, hey! Oh!
Bye!
Look at that!
Looks nice.
Seats for everyone.
Nice seats, James. You probably will be happy to know that we won't be fitting that subframe.
Well, I don't care, it doesn't
Yeah,
matter to me.
well, it does to me. My car is too rusty, James.
Oh shit.
Really rusty.
Good, is it?
Yeah!
Best burger really.
There's the chef himself.
Best burgers in the world! Look at that!
I won't mention any more about you in case your friends are watching.
No, it's fine. They'll not watch the channels anyway.
Well, they might do. I might share it all over Facebook.
I hope you do. Pardon?
That's got a bit of kick in it.
Oh, well, you asked for spicy.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like.
There's yours there, left.
Yeah, right, for what?
Finion.
F for fuck off. I said it was F for Farrell, I said. He was asking what was the F for.
You didn't know?
No, you
No,
didn't
he
ask me.
asked what was the F
Oh,
for.
Finion.
I knew, I didn't dare tell you.
I'm really sitting here. Enjoy food, boys. Bon appetit, though.
Thank you.
Thank you, mate.
No.
Harry, fucking not ready, fucking dickhead.
Okay,
Well, Ross is more drift ready than you at the
I
moment.
don't believe her.
Ross is
I don't,
more
I
drift
don't
ready.
believe her. I can't believe it.
Ross is more drift ready than you.
Ross is fishing on his own.
Wait, is that nice, Chris?
Yeah,
Where'd you get that?
Soldier Chef.
Oh,
Yeah.
there he is. You baked that yourself?
I didn't do.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
How did they contact you?
I'm not sure.
There's drift, not drift ready, fucking Harold again.
Fucking as I'm looking at the old car, see if you were drift ready. Get
I'm drift. I'm getting drift ready. Look,
Shit.
my car's falling apart. It's rusty as fuck, and it's still more drift ready than you.
I don't believe him.
Yeah,
He's not drift ready, he's on the fucking ramp.
yeah, it's getting drift ready.
No, it's not
getting drift ready.
is it?
James is drift ready. I just made James drift ready this week.
Chicken's nearly just ready.
James is the smart one. He leaves his car with me to get drift ready.
Yeah, I know, but then Ross snacks your wheels and leaves you undrift ready.
You just heard your wheel as you was driving. Every time your wheel went round, you touched the floor, went.
Yeah.
I swear to God.
Yeah.
They're
Was it
coming
coming
up.
up?
Ross has been smashing curbs, hasn't he?
I reckon he had a little. I
because
reckon he
I
done
had
4
his
little
wheels.
roundabouts.
Ross has been curbing James's wheels on purpose.
I reckon he done 4 little roundabout and shit himself. I think he could.
Oh, so that's my knackered wheels. Then.
They're your knackered wheels off the back.
Which one?
No, they're the bald ones off the back. The one that's dead is the one on the back. That one there, passenger, I think.
This one.
Yeah, maybe. No, front. This one.
That was the flat one.
That's the flat one. I should probably fit that before I go home in it as well. Be nice.
How's that?
That's very nice, James. Thank you very much.
You want?
Delivered and everything. It's fucking brilliant service, that is.
Yeah.
Was he filling for you as well?
No.
Okay, and I try it out. Yeah, good seat. Nice and tight. That's good. Yeah, we'll have a bad back. Yeah, I'll give you a bad back, Dave.
I couldn't sit in that one.
No?
No, why? It's too upright.
Yeah. Do you like drifting Northern Irish, Dave?
I do indeed.
Look a bit tired, mate.
Catholic
I
day.
look tired there. I'm sure I'm not just baked.
Who knows? Who knows?
I don't think anybody knows.
Who knows, nobody can get in contact with him.
New shit down here. Straight from Lithuania.
What do they do with the spend?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, not
Yeah,
outside.
Ross's
Not
tired.
not here. It won't.
No, not here.
Not outside.
Maybe.
Do it outside Jason's.
We'll do it. Jason doesn't mind burnouts.
Yeah, Jason don't mind. That's what I mean. You say, yeah, everybody to do it.
looking mad, isn't it?
65 quid.
Bargain shifter.
All aboard for
Quite happy with
65
that.
quid.
I don't know what his
Oh, I
name
like
is.
that.
Show him how short it is.
Super short.
Who did that from, James?
Lithuania.
Was it?
65 quid delivered.
That's a long drive for a
Yeah.
fucking
Send
ship.
me a link, I can buy one.
Yeah.
Did you drive there? He wants to know.
That's a
Drive
long
to
drive.
Lithuania.
Yeah,
Yeah.
£1,500 in fuel.
Straight and dry.
Strange, right?
Oh, there's where we got our food because he doesn't know
Yeah.
that guy doesn't know the name of his own business. We're not sponsored by him though.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
He will sponsor us.
Appreciate a freebie.
Yeah. Oh, let's finish my car then. So I fixed it. Well, I haven't really fixed it. I've stuck, if you can see up there, I've put some spacers in between the brace and the bush. So hopefully it takes up some of the movement and it doesn't pull out my floor. This might be the last time you'll ever see the underneath of this car, because I'm going to scrap it after this, I think. Well, no, I'm definitely going to scrap it after this because it's fucked.
Any other use?
Harold's going. So that's this episode done. Unfortunately, I didn't really get to do what I had set out and what I had planned, because as I said, the car is just too rusty. If I took that subframe off, there'd be nothing to weld my reinforcing plates onto. It would be pointless. As I said, the car's only MOT'd now for another 6 weeks. I've got a black Touring, a 325 out the back, which is quite a clean body. I'll just put all of my stuff into that when I get a chance, and I'll get a fresh MOT on that one and I'll start driving that. A Touring will be probably easier for drifting anyway because more space to carry tyres. It's a bit disappointing because I like the car, I like the colour. I'll have to spray the Touring Nardo grey as well to match what the 46 was. But it was a good fun night. As you can see, all the lads were here. They were going to give me a hand, but we obviously didn't need to do it in the end. So that's probably it. We might not do anything else now until the drift day, which is about I don't know, 8-9 days time, and we'll do the next video on that one. Once again, thanks for everybody who's already subscribed. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. Like the video, share, comment, and thanks very much for watching.